Let's do a burnout. Okay guys, so what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to open or unbox this DR28 by Team Associated. So let's just get into the unboxing. As you can see right there, we got the receiver, we got some batteries right here, and obviously we have the car, what I'm going to call competition orange, with the white racing stripes going down the middle. You have 1, 2, 3 pins here. So yeah, let's get this guy free and see what else we got going on here.
A few moments later.
All right, we got her free. We got our golden power batteries. I almost forgot, you do get this pamphlet with instructions and whatever. Yeah, whatever. Let's take the pins off and see what's under the hood, shall we? Okay, I have never seen anything like this before. I'm assuming what's going on behind the scenes is truly behind the scenes, behind these screws here. That I'm not exactly sure what's going on here, but there you have it. See, if I turn it on here, it does come on. How do you charge the darn thing? I see a little port right there. Looks like, I guess, for charging. It's not USB. Okay, upon further research, you have a little cord here. This guy right here that you take out and plug into here on the side here to charger. Interesting. See how easy that is to get out. You kind of gotta just push up on it and it reveals this guy, and this guy goes in there and charge apparently off of your AA batteries. So let's put the batteries in and see what she sounds like. Power. Let's turn this on. Steering. Little gas, and she moves. Let's do a burnout. We do have forward and reverse. That's a good thing. She is loud. It doesn't have a wheelie bar, so that leads me to believe there's not going to be a lot of torque in this thing. Oh, so yeah, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm curious to know what this guy can do on the actual drag strip, and I'm also curious as to what it looks like on the inside, but that will be for another video at a later date and time. So if you want to stay in the know, you can follow us on Instagram at noprosrc. Obviously follow us here on YouTube for unboxing and all things RC. Also, you can follow us on TikTok for live RC events. We stream events every weekend live, whether I'm racing or watching races, on TikTok at noprosrc. you know, come check us out over there and also give us a follow. And you can kind of be a sponsor for us and subscribe to our channel on TikTok and support us. And all proceeds go to keeping and maintaining the live stream equipment, as well as upgrading and maintaining RCs. Right now I'm into racing, a rookie into racing mini ZRCs, and I'm really getting into that, and I'm enjoying it. It's a lot to learn, and I'm learning a lot. So if you want to come with us on that journey, you're welcome to. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and right here on YouTube. And with that being said, I will take this guy to the track, see what she can do, and that will be on another video.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.